Well, good evening, everybody. It's Dhaval. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm over at the San Salvador International Airport, cleared through immigration and security, and now I'm kind of heading towards my gate. My flight's around 6 p.m. today, and I'm flying from San Salvador back to Los Angeles, also known as LAX. So it should be it's going to be about a 5-hour flight, and here's the gate that I'll be flying out of over here. Let's see, it's right here. I'm taking Volaris Airlines back to Los Angeles, and got a little bit of time here before they start boarding, so thought I'd give you guys a quick little video of the airport. And it's kind of packed today. As you can see, I'll do a little 360 right now, but I've had to go through security twice. Once at the main security and through immigration, and then second again because you're going to the United States, and then they're going to do a random thing, and God knows, so I'll be called a third time. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys right here. So here's the gate there. I'll be flying out of number 16, and there's my plane that I'll be taking back to Los Angeles. So just had a really amazing trip here to El Salvador. I highly recommend everybody check this country out. It's really amazing, very beautiful, nice people. It's very inexpensive, and you can get a great tropical vacation if you're looking for it, or if you're looking for trekking, or if you're just a kind of a bit of a foodie like I am. So, but yeah, I'm looking forward to heading back here to LA, and getting back to the US, and getting back to my normal routine. So, but yeah, so anyway, just one last shot here of the airport for you guys, and yeah, looking forward to coming back. So I did this trip, by the way, through Expedia. I got a really good deal, so just you might want to check it out and see see what their package deals are and such. But yeah, it's a really good time of the year right now to visit El Salvador. There are not so many tourists, and as I kind of reflect back, besides the people, I really enjoyed the coffee, I really enjoyed the fruits, and of course I really enjoyed the pupusas. That's a must when you come out here to El Salvador. So anyway, hope everybody's doing well, and I will check in with all of you when I get back to the United States. So this is Dhaval signing off here from the San Salvador International Airport, getting ready to head back to the United States. All right, take care, guys. Good evening, everyone. It's a little after 10 o'clock. It's Dhaval. I just landed here at LAX, and it's about a 5-hour flight here, and just kind of glad to be back in the US of A. So hope everybody enjoyed my videos, and I don't know where my next adventure will be. Probably something next year. I don't know if I'll be able to go anywhere else this year, but just kind of glad to be home, and gonna go through immigration and customs right now. So anyway, I will check in with you guys later, and had a great trip to El Salvador. As I said before in my last video, everybody should definitely go and check out El Salvador. It's a beautiful country, and really memorable trip. So anyway, but it's good to be back here. Bye.